Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to place order on Shein app. So, to do that, step 1, download and install the Shein app. Visit your device app store like Play Store and search for Shein. Then download and install the official Shein app. Step 2, create an account or login. Open the Shein app and create a new account by providing your email address and setting a password. If you already have an account, log in using your existing credentials. Step 3. Browse and find products. Once you log in, you can start browsing the products. You can explore various categories. Use the search bar to find specific items or check out the recommended items based on your preferences. So if you want this one, just add to cart this item. Step 4. When you find a product you like and you add to cart that or add to bag that item, you can now go to the cart option here and tap the checkout button at the lower right corner. And then proceed to checkout. So that's how to place order on Shein app. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.